We'll guide you through how to use an iPhone as a TV remote. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do, perhaps you've lost your remote or it's run out of charge, and so you want to be able to go and use your iPhone. We're going to guide you through this step by step. It's important that you watch this full guide as we're keeping it broad so you can go and follow along with your TV. Don't go and skip ahead or click off the video as you may miss an important part of this guide. So to get started, ensure that your iPhone and TV are connected to the same internet. So you can go and confirm this on the iPhone by going and opening your settings. You can see it's connected to GR. I also know that this TV is connected to GR as well. One thing just to consider is if you've got internet boosters throughout your house, just make sure your iPhone is connected to the same one as the TV is. Now, what we need to do is we need to come onto the TV. Just have it turned on. You may be thinking, how can I without the remote? Well, the majority of TVs, if not all of them pretty much, go and have a physical button. So you can go and locate that. So for example, on this TV, it's just to the left of the logo. I come quite far back here and I can go and find the button and I can go and tap that and it would then go and turn off because it's already on. But if I tap it with the off, it would turn on. You may go and find yours along the bottom here somewhere else or on the left or the right side. So go and locate it and then have it turned on. Now, what we need to do is we need to come onto the iPhone and you're gonna need to go and open the App Store like so. So let's go and find the App Store and open it up. Press search at the bottom right. Now, what you can try doing is pressing search at the top. So there are some different options here. First of all, I recommend searching for your TV make. So this is a Hisense TV, a Hisense Vida TV to be precise. If you had an LG, type that in. So I'll type in Hisense Vida. If you had Samsung, you type that in, you go and get the idea. And you add remote to the end. Now you can go and see we've got the Vida app here. So what you could then do is go and download the app that you go out and find for your TV. It may not be called remote, this is called Vida, but it's got a remote part of it. Now if you're struggling with this, keep watching. I'm showing an alternative at the end. Press open. Press allow for the networks, we'll press agree, and we can press connect device. And it's found the TV, I can connect. We can go and enter in the PIN. And it's now connected, as you can see. I'll press take me to home. And if I go and tap, I can see the remotes at the bottom. And that's it, I'm now using the iPhone as a remote. Now, if you're struggling to go and find an app specifically for your TV, there's a more of a general app you can go and use. So we'll come back to the App Store. There's a general app called GuideRealm. And this is like a general app you can try using. So it's called GuideRealm Universal TV Remote. Download it and you can open it up. And this is for a lot of TVs. You can press tap to connect and go and see if it finds your TV. In this case, this TV doesn't show up, but if yours does, you can then go and tap on it and go and use it. Hopefully it does. Otherwise, you can try using the app more specifically for your TV, like I did. So hopefully to help this video, you managed to go and use your iPhone as a TV remote.